Hi there, welcome back. So in this lecture I'm going to show you a few more things regarding the dictionary, like changing the value of an existing element, looping through a dictionary, and to set conditional to find out whether or not if the key value pair exists in a given dictionary. So let's jump into my IDE, and I'm going to be showing you how to do exactly that. So I'm just going to get rid of my print function, and the first thing that I would like to show you is the way we can change the value of an existing key. So let's do that. So I'm gonna call my variable called person, which happens to be the name of my dictionary. Then I'm gonna add a square bracket, get inside, add single quote. I'm gonna type name because I'm targeting name because that's the one I'm looking to change. Then I'm gonna add equal sign, add single quote. I'm gonna type Abul Hussein, right? Now I'm gonna hit enter, call my print function, pass my dictionary called person, right click, run it, and as you can see that my name has been changed from being George Hussein to Abul Hussein, and it happened due to the fact that I have changed my name later on. Okay, so that's how you would want to change your existing key value pair if you want to make any changes. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how to find out whether or not if you have a key value pair on your dictionary. So for that I'm gonna bring in my conditional. I know that we haven't got that far where I would show you the conditional statements of Python, but don't worry, we're pretty close, and I'm gonna be showing you how to set conditionals in Python in our upcoming lecture. So I'm pretty sure you'll get it, so just bear with me and see what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna bring in if, then I'm gonna add single quote, I'm gonna type name, then I'm going to type in, then I'm going to type my dictionary name, which is person, then I'm going to end it with a colon, then I'm going to hit enter. I'm going to type print parentheses, get inside, add single quote. I'm going to type yes, name does exist in my dictionary. That should be good enough. Now if I right click, run it, as you can see that I have this statement printed out on my code runner. It says that yes, name does exist in my dictionary. So this is how you would set your conditionals to find out whether or not if you have a name value pair in your dictionary. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how to loop over your dictionary. So yes, dictionary is also loopable or iterable. So let's see how to do that. So I'm just gonna type for elements in person, then close it with a semicolon, then hit enter, print, get inside, and simply pass, right click, run it. As you can see that we have the keys printed out on our code runner. However, we do have the method where we can display not only the keys but the values as well, but we're not going to be learning to do it just yet because we're going to be doing that when we actually learn about the dictionary methods in our upcoming lectures. So for now, just know that dictionary is iterable. Key value pairs can also be printed out using for loops. So that's pretty much it about the second part of the dictionary. I hope this has been informative and you've learned some valuable lesson. I'll see you in the next lecture. Thanks, bye.